Now coming to statistical testing. So over here, we have over here, I would like to speak about these two tests, t-test and ANOVA. So t-test, essentially, we check the differences between means of two groups. So we're comparing the means of cholesterol levels between men and women. And that's an example. And over here is going to be the mean men cholesterol levels 180 versus mean women cholesterol levels is 190. And t-test essentially is, I have a mnemonic here, t-test as in two groups, so men versus women. ANOVA analysis of variance. So this checks the difference between three or more groups. So we're checking the mean cholesterol level between three ethnic groups. So Asians, African, Hispanics. So we have Asians cholesterol group is 160 milligrams per deciliter. Africans cholesterol level is 170 and Hispanics 180. And three words analysis of variance. That's where you can kind of learn analysis of variance. So you have three groups or more. The next thing is going to be a Fisher exact test. So we're looking at differences between two percentages or proportions. And these are more nomical. Nomical over here, it kind of means like, nomical means like your name. So that's a keyword over here. So I'm kind of going to highlight that over here. And that's going to be, instead of using chi-square or small populations. And what's an example of that? So I'll kind of engage the student. What does he think an example of this is? So that's quite simple. Smokers versus non-smokers. So we can see over here, yes, so smoker versus non-smoker who do have cancer, who do not have any cancer. Chi-square are asking the same thing, what do you think it is? And it's kind of like the bigger version of this. So check the difference in two more percentages or categories non-mean values. So over here, male versus female, without graduation, college, bachelor, master degree. So male versus female, but it's education status. So that's kind of overview of how I try to do statistical testing and how I teach hemolytic units. Hopefully this video was useful. Anyone watching, thank you and for having me.